Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use the Deepseek R1 AI model locally on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Ollama. Click on the first website and download Ollama for Windows. While it's downloading, let's check out the Deepseek R1 model. Go to the Models tab on the Ollama website and select Deepseek R1. There are multiple versions, some as large as 400 GB plus. But I'll be using the 7B version with 7 billion parameters, which should run decently on my laptop. Once the ollama.exe file is downloaded, install it. This might take some time, so I've fast-forwarded it. Once installed, we're ready to download Deepseek R1. Go to Windows Search, type PowerShell, and hit Enter. Now, copy the Deepseek R1 download command from the Ollama website and paste it here. Hit Enter, and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, you can start prompting the model directly in PowerShell. For additional commands, use /? For help. Use /by to exit the model. Now let's set up a GUI for Deepseek R1. First, open your browser and search for Docker Desktop. Download the appropriate version for your system. I already have Docker installed, so I won't download it again, but before installing, check if Virtual Machine Platform is enabled on your Windows features. If not, enable it, save, and reboot. Once that's done, launch Docker Desktop and skip account creation and survey. Make sure Ollama and Docker are running in the background. Now, search for how to start Open WebUI container and open the first website. There, you'll find the command needed to run Open WebUI. Since I have an NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti GPU, I'll use the GPU-enabled version for better performance. Open PowerShell again, and paste the appropriate command to start Open WebUI. Once done, check Docker Desktop, and you'll see an entry added. Click on the localhost link, and it should open in your browser. If you encounter an issue, simply modify the URL and add /auth at the end, and it should work. Create a free account. And now you can see Deepseek R1 7B running with a GUI in your browser. Let's test it by turning off the internet and prompting something. You'll see that the model still responds, though it takes some time. When you're done using it, simply disable the local host from Docker like this. And that's it. That's how you install and use Deepseek R1 AI locally on your PC. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.